Hello everyone, welcome to the Excel tutorial. Are going to cover a topic of filter today. First, start with the basic table what we have. So we have a couple of employees and these are their working hours and which day they work, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday for Alex. Then Ronnie also works Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Some people works weekend as well. So we want to filter the employee names based on the day name. So how we can do this? It's really easy. We just need to use the filter function. Filter. What array we need to find out? We need to find out the employee name. Then include day name equal to Monday. Bracket close, press enter. And we got all the employees who works Monday. So let's see about Saturday. Yes, those people work Saturday. But what about we want to see Saturday and Sunday who worked? So we cannot just make it M6 here. It is not going to work because Sunday is not covering here. Let me try Monday and give a comma and M6. No, it's only giving me the result for M5. So that basically means we have a range of 2 or 3 or multiple cells and we want to filter all the employee name based on this range. How we can do that? We have to go a bit complex. Again, we are going to use our filter function. Our array will be employee name array, then comma, and now we will use a combination of isnumber and match functions. Isnumber, it is just a function where it checks that our result is a value or not. Now we will be giving match function here. In the match function, we will select the range where we will want to see the value, comma. Our array should be this one, or maybe we can make it a little bit bigger, M5 to M9, then comma, and it should be exact match. So in that way, match function closes, then our isNumber function closes, and then we close the filter function. Enter. And see, we have Saturday and Monday both employees here right now. We can choose Saturday and Sunday here. These are Saturday and Sunday. Now only issue is the employees who work in Saturday and Sunday both days, it is giving us 2 results. How we can solve this? We can just wrap it with unique function. Now we have all the results once. Now we can wrap it with sort function that will sort all the values from A to Z. We can do the sort function and unique function here as well. We don't need to do the unique function here because on the same day 2 names not gonna come, but it's fine to do this. So yes, now we can delete this. It is matching. Let's see Wednesday. We have the matching result, but whenever we add another day, we have some more results because Thursday someone else works and it is covering that as well, but here it is only giving us the result based on M5. That's how we can filter based on a range. Remember the formula, equal to sort. Let me write down the formula here. This is the formula. In that way you can cover as many days as you want. So for example, we want to see all the weekdays who work: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So those are the employees who worked in the weekdays. Now delete and make it Saturday and Sunday to see who worked on Saturday and Sunday. Yes, those are the employees who worked on weekend. It is really interesting, right? Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Other than that, like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.